I thought I was going to see then. So guys, I'm going to be testing what objects could do. Right, so, first one. This poo cushion, check my last video out, which is a poo cushion thingy. So what happens if I drop it, yeah? So that happened. Next thing. Happens if I kiss this. Yeah. Happens if I plug this in. Happens if I put these together. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, comment what I should do next, or just subscribe, like, and yeah, so bye. I just, wait. Just need to show you one more thing. What will happen if, wait, I'll do two things. What happens if I, one. What happens if I slap myself? Whoa, that was weird. I said two things, didn't I? What happens? Oh, I got one. What happens if I sit down? Yes, yeah.